The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Remove the dampener cord from the glove box. Push in on both sides of the glove box to release the stops. Lower the glove box. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1109 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door. The easiest way to reinstall the glove box is to reinstall the dampener cord first. From there, you can then get the stoppers behind the frame and the hinges clicked into their catch. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.